Is she gone for the summer, gone for the night, gone for the weekend or the rest of my life? Was she laughing, was she crying, was she walked away? I can't say. I was on a boat that day, the river was rolling, I was getting my float on. She was telling me so long, I was on her so long gone. Hey, hey. Hey, thanks for tuning in, guys. Blaze of Boys Guitar Lessons. Please hit like and subscribe. It means a lot to me, and YouTube will serve it up to more people if you do. So I really appreciate when you guys all do that. Also, I'm going to teach you guys how to play this awesome song by Old Dominion. It's got a capo on the 4th fret, and it's in standard tuning. So there's other ways to play it. You don't have to play it with a capo on the 4th fret, but if you don't play it with a capo, you're going to need different chords. So anyway, I'm going to show you guys how to play this song. It's pretty easy to play, and I want to show you this way because I think it's easier to play than other ways I've seen. So here's the chords you're going to need. So you're going to start with G. Well, this is the chords you need for the intro. I'll show you the other chords later, okay? As we get there. So you're going to need G and A minor, okay? Let's put you up to here at A minor. You don't have to use this G. You could use this G, whatever you want to do, okay? But I'm using this one and A minor, okay? So you're going to start with that, and the intro is down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. So just one time slowly. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Sorry, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up. Okay, you want to play the intro part louder, and then when you get to the verse, you're going to play a little bit softer. So you're going to do, I remember is G. I remember it like it was yesterday, cause it was. Sorry, okay, so was is A minor. Was. And I was letting is G. Letting the sun and the rum just do what it does. Does is A minor. Does. And here's where you're going to use other chords, okay? I threw my phone. Okay, phone is B minor, all right? So that's how you play B minor, all right? Barring on the 2nd fret in relation to the capo, all the way across, starting on the A string. And then you put your ring finger is going to go on the 4th fret, and then your pinky on the D string, pinky goes on the 4th fret on the G string, and your middle finger goes on the 3rd fret on the B string. All right, like that. Now, keep in mind, the easiest way to do this, I think, is to bar like that, put these down, and then at the end, you can put that one down if you're having a hard time playing it. So you can then put your middle finger down. Now, if you have a really hard time with it, just don't use your middle finger. It won't sound quite the same, but if you have a really hard time with it, that's the way you can work your way into it, okay? So you're gonna start with B minor. I threw my phone. All right, phone is where you do B minor. My phone in the water, little push off the dock. She was packing a C, packing her bags. I was popping is D, popping a top. Is she gone? Okay, so you do D on popping. Popping. All right, so you're gonna do B. Threw my phone in the water, little push off the dock. She was packing a C, packing her bags. I was popping a top. All right, so after top, you can do popping a top. Is she gone? All right, and that's one reason why I do this G is because you're gonna go from that D to G like that, and it's just, you can just leave your ring finger on there that way. I was popping a top. She was gone. Is she gone? So gone is G, and that's pretty easy because they start the same. So. Because gone starts with G. So you do gone for the summer, and so you're going to want to play the chorus the loudest. Gone for the summer, gone for the night, gone. All right, gone is A minor. Gone for the weekend or the rest of my life. Was she laughing? Laughing is G. Laughing, was she crying? Did she walk away? I can't say. Okay, say is A minor. Say, I was on a boat that day. Okay, day is where you do G. Day the river was rolling, I was getting my float on. She, so she is where you do A. She was telling me so long, I was already so long gone. Gone again is G. Gone. Hey, hey. And you do on the 2nd hey, you're gonna do A minor. Hey, hey. She could've. Okay, then you go back to the 2nd verse, 2nd chorus, and so forth. So The song's pretty easy to play. When you go to the break, you're actually the bridge. You're just gonna do G. I remember it like it was yesterday, 'cause it was. So you're just gonna play like you did earlier. You could do single strums if you want. I remember it like it was yesterday, 'cause it was. And I still got a buzz. Is she gone for the summer? Okay, so you're just gonna play it like that. Just G, and then A minor, A minor. And then you're gonna go, is she gone for the summer, gone for the night, gone for the weekend or the rest of my life? Was she laughing, was she crying, was she walked away? I can't say. I was on a boat that day. Anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions about the song. It was a great one to learn, and yeah, if you have a request, let me know and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you guys.